Hi, this is Anna and you're watching the Moto G7 Disassembly. So the first thing you need to do is remove the SIM tray from the phone if you haven't done that already. In order to take apart the Moto G7, you're gonna have to take the screen off first. Apply some heat to the front of the phone and then start prying the screen off. Start where the speaker grill is to give you some leverage, but be careful not to put the pry tool too deep or else it'll damage your screen. Gently work your way around the edges. So once the screen is loose from the phone, you're going to lift it from the left side. And be careful because the cable is still attached to the phone. Now go ahead and remove these 3 T4 screws. Then you're going to take this cover off. You're going to use your pry tool now to pop the cable off the board. Next, we're going to remove the battery cable. Next, you're going to remove the cable for the power button and the volume switch. You're going to have to lift the black lock up here to unlock it. Next, you're going to use a thin tool to get underneath the cable and slide it out. There's 13 T4 screws around the phone, so go ahead and remove those. So once you take off all your screws, next you're going to take off the speaker assembly. So you put your pry tool right here, and then you're going to pop the catch. And then you're going to pull it off. Next, we're going to lift the metal shield right here, and then be careful, there's a cable inside. So we're going to pop off the cable. So we're going to lift this metal frame off right now. So now we're going to lift and disconnect the camera cable right here, this black one, and the one right next to it. And then there's another camera cable right here that you're going to remove. Lift up. Next, you're going to remove the cameras. Next, you're going to remove the main board and be careful of the cables. Now we're left with the battery, the mid-frame, and the earpiece speaker. Now we're going to put the main board back in and be careful that the cables don't get stuck underneath it. Now you're going to put the camera assembly back in. Then you're going to click back the cables. Now you're going to put the top shield back on, and while doing it, you're going to reconnect the cable. So now we're going to put the speaker assembly back in. Then you put it in and you just push it into place. So now we're gonna reconnect the power cable. You're gonna slide it into place and then clip it back. So now we're gonna clip this lock back. Now we're gonna reconnect the battery cable. Now go ahead and put all the screws back on. Once all the screws are back in, you're gonna reconnect the screen cable right here. And then you're gonna put the cover back on. Now you're gonna screw it back. Next, you're gonna put the screen back on the phone and you can apply some adhesive if needed. And now you're done.